10 seconds, 5 seconds, start. The appellant admittedly is an old tenant in the premises at a meager rent. This court in Iyer and Son Private Limited versus LIC of India, affirmed recently in Life Insurance Corporation of India versus Damayanti Verma, has held a public sector bank as the respondent to be fully justified in endeavoring to earn maximum out of its properties. No case thus for interference with the findings of the estate officer affirmed by the district judge of the requirement of the premises by the respondent bank for its own use is made out and entitled to retain possession thereof. Matter pertains to appointment to the post of Deputy Director Law in the other backward class category. Appointments to the vacancies in the aforesaid post were to be made in the Office of Competition Commission of India. The three appellants in these three appeals were also the candidates who appeared in the written test. After qualifying the written test, they also faced the interview. However, their names did not appear in the list of candidates finally selected. According to the appellants, their non-selection was a result of altering the prescribed mode of selection midway, that is, after the initiation of recruitment process, which was impermissible. The contention has not found favor with either the learned single judge in the writ petitions filed by them or the division bench of the High Court in the appeals filed by them challenging the order of the learned single judge. Bone of contention before us also remains the same. Therefore, the issue which needs to be decided is as to whether there was any change in the mode of selection after the process of selection had started. CCI had issued the notification through public notice inviting applications for various posts. We are concerned with the post of Deputy Director Law, for which 13 vacancies were. Clause 7 of the notification stipulated the mode of selection in the following manner. All the applications received by the due date will be screened with reference to the minimum qualification criteria. From amongst the eligible candidates, suitable candidates will be shortlisted through the transparent mechanism, and the shortlisted candidates will be called for interview before final selection. Mere fulfilling of minimum qualifications by itself would not entitle any applicant for being called for interview. The eligibility qualification experience required for this post was also provided in the advertisement. It is undisputed that the appellants fulfilled the eligibility condition, being holder of degree of Bachelor of Law professional as well as 3 years experience in the relevant field including the corporate sector. Written test for this post was held on for shortlisting of candidates for interview. Admit card was also issued to the appellants for appearing in the written test along with the detailed instructions including the scheme of examination. Paragraphs 4 and 9 of the instructions which were given to the examinees or candidates are relevant for our purposes, and therefore we reproduce the same here under.